Hello everyone, let's have a look at this question. It says a curve C has the equation y equals f of x. Given that f dashed of x is equal to that the y-intercept is minus 12 and the x add 4 is a factor, find out f of x in its simplest form. So there's various little clues here that we can build together to find what's going on. So first of all, let's integrate the equation. So in order to find out what f of x is, we're going to integrate the 6x squared plus ax minus 23, and we're going to integrate that with respect to x. So when we integrate that, we're going to raise the power by 1 and divide by the new power, so that's going to be 6x cubed over 3 plus ax squared over 2 minus 23x plus c. Okay, so when we simplify that, that's going to go to 2x cubed plus a over 2 x squared minus 23x plus c. Okay, fair enough, but we've still got two unknowns. So we've used the first piece of information there. Now let's use the second piece of information. The y-intercept of c is minus 12. That's telling us that when x is equal to 0, that y is equal to minus 12, which is essentially a coordinate that we can sub into our equation here. So let's sub this in. So minus 12 is going to equal 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus c. So therefore c is equal to minus 12. So we've used the second piece of information now that we were given, and so far we've got that our equation is f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus a over 2 x squared minus 23x, and we now know that c is minus 12. Okay, so we've just got a to find now, so we're going to use the third piece of information, and the third piece of information is that x add 4 is a factor. Now that means that f of minus 4 is going to equal 0 using the factor theorem. So we can say that 0 is equal to 2 times by minus 4 cubed plus a over 2 times by minus 4 squared minus 23 times by minus 4 minus 12. And from this we should be able to work out what we get for a. So minus 4 to the power of 3 is going to be minus 64, so we double that, it's going to be minus 128, so minus 128. And then we're going to have here minus 4 squared is going to be 16, 16 divided by 2 is going to be 8a. And then we're going to have 23 times by 4 is going to be plus 92 minus 12 there. So from here, all we need to do now is just get this whole thing over to one side and just solve for a. So we're going to add the 128 over to the left hand side. We're going to take off 92 and we're going to add on 12, and that's going to give us 48. So 48 is equal to 8a, and 6 8s are 48, so therefore a is going to equal 6. Now that means that our full equation for f of x is going to be f of x is going to equal 2x cubed plus a over 2, which is 6 over 2, so 3x squared minus 23x minus 12. And there you go, that is that question done for 6 marks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.